In this short TikTok Pro account tutorial, you're going to learn how to use your TikTok Pro account, how to switch from your personal account to your Pro account, and how to understand both your TikTok Pro account settings and your analytics. And we're going to get into it right now. What is going on? My name is Shane. Welcome back to Learnerpreneur, your social media and app resource. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. And if you'd like to learn the 8 secrets to marketing success with TikTok, grab your free ebook. Link is in the description below. Let's hop into these TikTok analytics. Okay, let's get into these analytics. To get to your analytics and to get to your Pro account, which is of course completely free, just open up TikTok, go down to the bottom right-hand corner, click Me. That's going to open up your profile page. Go to the top right-hand corner and click on that 3-dot menu. That will open up your settings and privacy page where you can select the very first selection, Manage Account. Down at the bottom it says Switch to Pro Account. Go ahead and click on Switch to Pro Account. It's going to ask you an account type, creator or business. I recommend creator, but choose the one that makes the most sense for you. And choose a category. I'm going to choose brand. Once again, I recommend that one, but I don't think these matter too much, so choose the one that makes the most sense for you. Click Next. Choose your gender if you'd like. If you prefer not to say, there's that option as well, and then click Done. Welcome to your creator account. You can find your analytics in the settings, and you can explore them right now. This is your dashboard on your analytics. Now keep in mind, I don't have much information on my demo account, but I can tell you where you will find the information you're looking for. So this is an overview. You can see the video views for the last 7 days. This is the total number of times your videos were viewed in 7 days. You can also switch it to 28 days. And you can slide this little bar here on the calendar to view specific days on the calendar. So that's pretty cool. The Followers tab will show you the number of users who started following you, of course, within 7 days or 28 days respectively. And you can swipe left or right to check out an individual day to see how many followers have started following you. And lastly, on the Overview Selection tab, you can see the profile views. Total number of views your profile was viewed, of course, within the last 7 days and 28 days, respectively. And all of this data displays in a UTC time zone. So make the correct adjustments for the time zone that you live in. Now, this is your Content tab. It's the middle tab at the top of the Analytics page. You can click on that, and you can see what content your followers are engaging with most, what's most popular, what they're listening to, what videos are doing best, and the top 9 videos in the last 7 days. I don't have anything on here, but you will see all of the videos that you have posted in the last 7 days in order of newest to oldest. You can also open up your video analytics page and see some more information there. You can also check out the trending videos. This is the top 9 videos, the fastest growth in views over the past 7 days. So it's a little confusing there, but it's top 9 videos that you've posted that became trending in the last 7 days. Now, if you click over to Followers tab, this is going to show you all of your followers. Now, I only have like 28 followers on my demo account. Once you reach 100 and more followers, you're going to get a lot more information here. So you may already have more than 100 followers, and then you'll be able to see more there. This is going to show you what your followers are watching, listening to, engaging with, all within the last 7 days. You can see, of course, your follower count, the gender, that your percentage gender, which top territories that you're getting followers from, what activities they're most active in, and what videos they have watched most. I believe it will show the top 3 posts each week, including captions and hashtags that have been the most successful for you in gaining followers. And that, in a nutshell, is pretty much the analytics page. It's completely free, cool little tool. Now, if you want to switch back to a personal account, you can do that at any time by going back to your settings and privacy page and click on Manage Account. You'll be brought to that original screen where you can switch to a personal account, or, of course, we can talk about switching to a business account in a later video.
All right, cool. So now you understand your analytics. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up. That would help me out. And watch this video on the screen right now to learn more cool things you can do with TikTok. Later.